Guys, this is a little tutorial on how to upload. You want to get your software from here. You guys already have it. The Arduino software. Just load it up and download the multi-Wii version, the DET version, whatever one you want to get. Or for most of the Quadrino people, I'll fix up the file and post it on a hot file. So you just have to go open, find, I just placed it on my desktop, the dev version. There's going to be two folders. One's going to of course be the program, but this one you're going to see a whole bunch of different folders. The one you want to open is the PDE. And you can close this window. Okay, and for the people that download my fix, you wouldn't need to do anything at this point, but since I'm downloading it from the website, I'm going to go ahead and change my config file. You also have to do this if you're at different speed controllers. So I'm going to uncomment out. If you have the white spy quad, it's going to be this top line. You want to take the two dashes and put the two dashes there, so that technically it comments and uncomments that. So when it's in bold, that means that it's that's the commented one. That's the one that is selected, and you can't have more than one in each section. So, but you don't have to worry about this if you download my hotfix file, unless you have different speed controllers. Then you have to change these values or mess with that. Quad X, we want to do that, and that's the slower one. We want to make it fast. We can disable this just for, it doesn't matter for the Quadrino. The pull-ups. In here though, he's made it easy. We'll just undefine the Quadrino here, and a couple other recommended settings all the way down is you can this LCD and motor stop. That's recommended, so your motor stop at minimum throttle. So we've got define motor stop, Quadrino, fast, Pro Mini. And again, you don't have to do none of this, and just take your USB cable, stick it in your quad. Should get some lights, and we want to go to tools. Make sure see I have COM1, COM5. So if you don't know which one it is, go to properties, device manager, and go down to ports and USB serial ports, COM5. So that's my ports, COM5, tools, COM5, and then you click this upload button. So if you downloaded my fix, this is where you should be starting off with. You can double check those settings, but it should be all good to go. So if you download my file, all you have to do is plug in your copter, go to tools, select the right COM port, and then you'll see some uploading. You see it uploading, you should see some activity here on these lights. Make sure your board is selected, the Pro Mini 5V 16 megahertz 328. I think that's that. So then we should get some activity like that. now we come over uploading done. We can exit out of that. Save changes, sure. So now we go into the config. And we click COM port 5, start, read, and you can do all your setting changes, calibrate, but just make sure that your copter responds good, tilt, tip. And you can see this is your magnometer heading reading. So verify, and also you should have you don't need to have your battery plugged in, and you should have your transmitter on, and double check your settings. Make sure you're between 1000 and 2000 and all that good stuff. And then make sure to hit right after you've done all your setting changes, because I believe it does change it back to default. Alrighty, I hope I didn't miss anything. I'm sure this will just be a rough draft. Thanks, bye.